If you're wondering if you can hide apps on Samsung Galaxy A07, first of all, let's open the settings on our device. Next step is to browse through different settings. So first we're gonna check the apps section to see if there's hide apps option. But I don't think there will be. Just let's wait this few moments. Nope, there's no hide apps option, and to hide them instead we can use the secure folder. They won't be fully hidden as you will have two instances of that app, but the second instance in secure folder will be hidden and nobody will be able to access it if they don't know the password. So now to perform the setup for your secure folder, you will need to go up in the settings page, select security and privacy, and then scroll down until we find more security settings, and then click on secure folder right here. Wait a moment until your secure folder is created, just click on continue. Then after it's created, it will ask you to create a password for it. So choose a lock type and then enter a password that you want to use to unlock your secure folder, and that way when it's done, we should be able to find secure folder in our app drawer on our home screen if you don't use the app drawer. Now click on secure folder, and after that we can add different apps to our secure folder by clicking on this plus button. So choose whichever app you like, and then this specific app that you've added to your secure folder will be in two instances. First instance is in the system. So if I open a Chrome, if I open the Chrome right here, as you can see, there's Facebook opened. And if I open a Chrome on in my secure folder, this phone is very laggy, sorry for that. It's just making me kind of angry because it takes a lot of time to open anything. Okay, so here is the Chrome from my secure folder, and as you can see, it has YouTube opened, and on the other Chrome, it should have all of the tabs closed. So yep, it uses two different instances for your apps, and you can hide them that way. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.